Good morning, same as usual. Morning, 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 America. Same as usual, we are outside. Ken is mowing and I'm looking at the flowers. That's bearing flowers already, very beautiful. And here, the grasses are becoming taller, so it needs to be mowed. And Ken is now doing it. Oh my God, this big yard. Yeah, it's green all over. Big. Huge. There. Yeah. Morning. Oh, there he's going to the lake. It's just beside the lake. I want to go fishing, but I don't know if there are available or we can do fishing. It's nice to be outside with this time because the sun is there. It's not too hot anyway. It's regular. We cannot just wear shorts because we need pants. The grass is tall, the grass is wet. So that's life here in Lake House. Our house in town is vacant. Nobody's there. Still there. The house there, that's where we stay. It's 3 bedrooms. And there, the barn again. And then the barn of Jim. There, the house is hidden in the tree. House of Jim. As I usually show it there. You can see the edge of it. There, the boat of Ken and some boats that we can use. And the flowers here, so beautiful. Yeah. Flowers. I planted some, but Bunny ate it. So there are still more bearing flowers. Okay. Thank you. Short video. Thank you so much for watching.